How do we configure actions in Zenphi? In Zenphi, when an action requires to be configured, you will see a red outline around the action. All you have to do is click on the gear icon. Some actions may require for you to set up a connection which will grant Zenphi permission to access that system, for example, Google Sheets, Gmail, Google Directory, etc. To be able to do this, what you have to do is click on the plus icon to create a new connection. This connection can be private or shared depending who you want to be able to access it, and then all you have to do is click on authorize. You'll see something like this if your connection was established correctly. And then you're going to be able to see different parameters with a red outline as well. These are the mandatory parameters that we must configure before we're able to use our action. For example, this one is the file ID. You can either select it using the Google Drive icon or you can use the token picker. So if we click on it here, we're able to access different actions. For example, this one is also a Google Sheet, so I can add the file ID by clicking on Add Token. The red outline will disappear from your action once you've configured it correctly. You're also able to change the name of the action by clicking in the center. You're going to see this outline appear and you're able to change the text. And just like that, you have configured your action.